Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuum cleaners. We will be comparing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is priced at $869, while the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo comes in at $729. It seems like there's a price difference of $140 between the two. When it comes to hands-free cleaning, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the lead. It features the Auto-Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleanup. With its 2.5L dust bag, it can store up to 7 weeks of debris. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo does not offer an auto-emptying feature. Moving on to suction power, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 Pascal suction, allowing it to easily lift debris and pet hair from various surfaces. It even increases its suction to the maximum when it detects a carpet for deep cleaning. The Robot Vacuum and Mop combo, on the other hand, has a 1,400 Pascal suction power, which is lower compared to the Q7 Max Plus. If you're looking for a vacuum and mop combo, both these products have you covered. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo can vacuum and mop at the same time. However, the Q7 Max Plus offers 30 water flow levels, allowing you to fine-tune the cleaning based on your floor type and preferences. The Robot Vacuum and Mop combo does not mention the number of water flow levels it offers. When it comes to navigation and mapping, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the lead again. It uses precise litter navigation to create accurate maps of your home, track cleaning routes, and unlock smart cleaning functions. You can even view the map in 3D and recreate your home virtually. The Robot Vacuum and Mop combo does not provide detailed information about its navigation capabilities. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus has a supersized battery that powers the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime, or a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. The Robot Vacuum and Mop combo, on the other hand, offers 100 minutes of runtime in a 1290 SQFT house. It's clear that the Q7 Max Plus has a longer-lasting battery. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has been praised for its improved performance after firmware updates, its ability to navigate rugs without getting stuck, and its recognition of furniture it can't fit under. However, it struggles with cords on the floor and is not great on rugs. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo has received positive reviews for effectively cleaning up dirt and debris, ease of operation, and good suction. However, some users have experienced issues with the filter getting clogged and the mop feature not being as effective. Overall, both products have their pros and cons. And that concludes our comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. While both products have their unique features, it's clear that the Q7 Max Plus offers some advanced functionalities like auto-emptying, powerful suction, precise navigation, and longer battery life. However, it does come with a higher price tag. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.